Good morning. I'm out by the airport and I've got my Nescafe. I got my 8,000 steps in, so it's time to drink my favorite drink. I have my portable espresso maker. I love this thing. I've already loaded it up with the grounds. I put this guy like this. Take me some hot water. Take the lid off. I microwave some hot water in the hotel room. I'll take this baby and fill it up. Oh yeah. Put the lid on, nice and tight. Don't take much. And we'll sit down on the bench here. Press this button. Give it a second. There we go. Listen to that sound. That's where the magic happens. It won't be long. Soon I'll be drinking my portable espresso. It won't be long. It's getting there. It's getting there. When you travel, you can't necessarily count on a good cup of coffee. So you have to bring it with you to make sure you're okay. And look at that. It gives me a nice crema. And this aroma machine was less than $50. And it has a rechargeable battery. So no matter where you are, whether you're by the river or in the woods, you can get that wonderful, wonderful creme and espresso. I got my 8,000 steps in. You see what I'm doing now? You can tell we're right by the airport. This lovely hotel. I love the view. I love getting my steps in. I love my espresso in the morning. Have a great day.